friends, this is Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will show you how to make hard-boiled eggs in your Instant Pot. So we will start by opening our Instant Pot and gently put the eggs inside the Instant Pot. And it doesn't matter how many eggs. I'm going to cook 6, but the instructions are the same for any number of eggs. And then we will add 1 cup of water to the Instant Pot. And once you've added eggs and water, close the lid on the Instant Pot. Set the vent to sealing position and press the pressure cook or manual button. It depends on the model of your Instant Pot. Mine says pressure cook. And set the time to 7 minutes on high pressure. Stop. When the eggs are done cooking, we need to quick release the steam. So to do that, we just do that. And when the valve drops, that's how you know you can safely open the lid of the Instant Pot. So now we open the lid and we will remove the eggs from the Instant Pot and put them into ice water. So here we have a bowl of water. I'm going to add ice and carefully remove the eggs and gently lower them into ice water. And we will leave these hard-boiled eggs in ice water for 5 minutes, just so they cool down, and then we will peel them. Once the Instant Pot boiled eggs cool down, I'm going to peel them. So to peel them, I just take an egg, crack it, and remove the peel. And when you cook the eggs in the Instant Pot, they peel very cleanly. So this is it. This is my peeled egg. And I just repeat with the remaining eggs. Остановись. So here are my peeled eggs. As you can see, all 6 eggs are perfectly peeled. So that's 100% success rate in peeling the eggs that are cooked in the Instant Pot. That's why I always say, once you try cooking eggs in the Instant Pot, you'll never make them any other way because they're just so easy to peel when made in the Instant Pot. For more Instant Pot recipes and cooking tips, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Enjoy!